Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a vehicle and you're trying to figure out, do I need new brake rotors, new disc brakes guys. Stay with us, we'll explain when you need to replace your rotor, what are the symptoms of bad rotors guys. We'll cover the symptoms and what to expect if a rotor is bad, because many of you actually ignore those and it could be very dangerous. Before we start, let me tell you, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything on it. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you guys need to buy new disc rotors, if you need to buy anything for your car, tools, parts, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So what we have specifically here, we are putting new brakes and we decided to show you the symptoms of bad rotors. Also, if you have a vehicle guys, you want to learn how to do diagnostics, fix the electronics on your car, we just have a special dedicated channel to that. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out. We will be sharing information that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's explain now, okay, what we have here. This is a front disc rotor. The brake pads usually will be right here installed. They will contact the disc rotor. They will be compressed by the caliper. Now, what are the symptoms of bad disc rotor? That rotor guys, okay, if you feel pulsation in the steering wheel, let's say that's when you're braking. Let's say you're driving down the highway, 65 miles an hour. You hit the brake pedal while it's in, you feel vibration in the steering wheel. That's called brake pulsation. It will increase with speed. Let's say you drive 80 miles an hour. You hit the brake again, it pulsates even more. This is because the rotor guys, the brake rotor is uneven. It's not even. As a result guys, what will happen, okay, it will go through the pads and it will pulsate, and that pulsation will be sent to the hub, from there to the power steering, to the rack and pinion, and you will feel it guys in your steering wheel, which is dangerous. It can make the vehicle unstable. Another thing, what is another symptom of bad rotor guys? If you have deep lips on the top and sometimes on the bottom guys, it means that the rotor is bad. In some cases you can resurface rotors when you replace pads or if you have brake pulsation, but they need to meet a minimum thickness. And on modern vehicles, okay, it doesn't take much to meet that minimum thickness, so in most cases you will need to replace them if you experience any of those symptoms guys. For instance, some rotors will say what the minimum thickness is on the side, somewhere here or on top. On some you may have a canal like that can indicate the minimum thickness. It really depends. But also guys, we'll recommend every time you put brake pads, rotors are not too expensive. If you suspect any of those symptoms, replace them. If you have scoring on the rotors, spots, okay, or if you have grooves, deep grooves, that's another symptom of bad rotor as well. Another thing, you may feel guys kind of like a squeaky noises coming out of the brakes. It could be a rotor that's going bad as well. It could be a brake pad that is too hard or too old and actually is squeaking, but in some cases it could be even a brake rotor that's going losing its stopping abilities guys. Also you may notice poor braking as well. Sometimes they can form glaze. They turn kind of like glass, and that glaze will lead actually to brake pulsation and reduce braking power as well. Those are guys some of the most common ones. Another symptom of bad brake rotor, okay, is if you see visual cracks, stress marks, anything like that, immediately you have to replace it. Those are the most common ones that we see here at the shop. Of course it could be more than that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.